Hello everyone, and welcome back to another Realty Candy video. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you step by step through how to create a dynamic wrapper for your IDX pages, specifically IDX pages from IDX Broker, using the GoHighLevel CRM platform. GoHighLevel is a tool we highly recommend. Let's start by logging into our GoHighLevel dashboard. From the main menu, click on Sites, then Websites, and select your website. In this example, I'll be using a site called Lender, which is the name of my website. Here's an important tip. Try to choose a page that is as clean and simple as possible. One with very few elements and minimal content. This makes the process easier and avoids layout issues later. Once you've identified that page, we're going to clone it. Click the three dots in the top right corner, select Clone, and then choose Clone Page in this website. Renaming and preparing the wrapper page. After the page has been cloned, go to Settings, rename the page to Real Estate Search, and update the page URL to match this name as well. This helps keep everything organized and makes the page easy to identify later. Once the changes are saved, click Edit in a new tab located just below the Edit button. Now that the page is open, we're going to clean it up. At this point, we want to remove everything except the header and the footer. All elements that appear between the header and the footer should be deleted. The reason for this is simple. This page will act as a container, and the IDX content will be injected dynamically inside it. Now comes one of the most important steps in the entire process. Add a new column to the page. Make sure this column spans the full width of the page. Inside that column, add an HTML code element. Open the code editor and paste the required IDX Broker wrapper tags. These tags are absolutely critical. IDX Broker relies on them to properly load and display the IDX pages. If these tags are missing or incorrect, the IDX pages will not work. Once the code is added, click Save, and then save again in the web builder. Now let's preview the page. If you don't see anything yet, that's completely normal, especially if your domain is not connected at this stage. What matters is that the structure is correct. Next, we're going to head over to IDX Add-ons. From there, go to the Applications section and search for Wrapper. If there's a previous URL already listed, remove it. Paste the new wrapper page URL and click Process. After a few moments, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the page has been processed successfully. Set Dynamic Wrapper. Take a moment to verify something important. Make sure your IDX pages are set to default mode. Default IDX pages do not include a menu, header, or footer. Once confirmed, click Set Dynamic Wrapper. Refresh the page. And voila! Your dynamic wrapper is now fully configured. And that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. I hope this guide was useful, and I'll see you in the next Realty Candy video.